Uber Eats surge pricing shows up when order demand in a small area jumps higher than available drivers, and the app increases delivery pay, or boosts, offer value to pull more drivers in. By the end of this, you'll know where surge actually appears on the map, how to predict it before it shows up, and how drivers position themselves to catch higher-paying orders. Surge on Uber Eats is not a permanent setting. It turns on and off based on real-time demand in specific zones, not the whole city. That means two drivers sitting 5 minutes apart can see completely different pay screens. The first thing to understand is where surge actually lives in the app. It usually shows up in 3 ways. 1 is boosted delivery offers. You'll see higher pay attached to a specific order request. 2 is busy zone heat maps. Some areas on the map turn darker or highlighted when demand spikes. 3 is stacked orders during peak times, where the app bundles multiple deliveries to reduce wait time. Now here's what matters most. Surge is usually tied to predictable demand patterns, not random luck. Lunch hours, dinner hours, bad weather, and large local events are the most common triggers. When orders pile up faster than drivers can accept them, the system raises pay to balance supply. But most drivers miss surge because they're waiting in low traffic areas. Position matters more than timing. Being near high-volume restaurants gives you faster access to surge orders because the app prioritizes nearby drivers first. Now here's how to increase your chances of catching it. Stay near clusters of fast food chains, late-night restaurants, or busy shopping districts. These areas generate constant order flow, which is where surge appears first. Keep your app open and active during peak hours instead of logging in randomly. And don't drift too far away after a delivery. Surge zones can shift within minutes. Another detail most drivers overlook is that surge doesn't always look obvious. Sometimes it's not a flashy map change. It's just slightly higher pay per offer during busy windows. That's still surge behavior working in the background. The key mistake is chasing surge after it already appears. By the time you see it clearly, most of the high-paying orders are already being taken. The better strategy is positioning before demand spikes. Quick recap. Surge pricing on Uber Eats is demand-based and location-specific. It shows up as boosted pay, busy zones, or stacked orders. The drivers who win are the ones already near demand when it starts. Next step. Check your city's busiest lunch and dinner hotspots and test sitting there for one full peak period. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more driver strategy breakdowns.